This is from Mark. Mark asked how to tag prospects, and I'm going to show you that real quick, and then I'm going to show you kind of how to sort them and get them into an organized fashion from the tagging. So right now, basically the way that you tag a prospect is anytime that you add a note. So, basically anytime you're visiting a prospect, you're adding a note. So if I tag this prospect now as bus, if I could type and hit save, I've tagged that prospect. So I don't have to put the hashtag in. If I just simply do VBS, I don't have to put the little hashtag symbol in there, but that does separate a tag from a normal word when you're searching. So now once I've done that and I come over here, I'm going to want to reload my prospect list, but all I got to do is type bus, and you can see all of the bus prospects that I have tagged show up here. So the search searches the name, but it also searches the notes. So you can see right here on the bottom is the tag that I made, bus, and so it searched that, and that's why that prospect came up. So now what I can do is I can select this prospect and move it into the bus ministry, which we don't actually have, but just doing it for the sake of it. So that's basically how you can tag prospects and then move them to where it's a little more user-friendly to get to them. Because once they are here in this folder, if you or your member that runs the bus ministry is changed on the dashboard to an administrator, you go right here to see all of your team. This shows you a list of your team that has the app downloaded and connected with your church. If you change them to an admin, any one of these, that person can get into the church prospects. From there, they can get a little more user-friendly access to the list of bus prospects, see them on a map, go visit them and such like that. And so that's kind of how that works and how you can organize them. And then from the dashboard, if you really want to get sophisticated, you can even select all of these that are in this bus prospect, this bus folder, and click this street button right here and click next, and it will come up with a route for this. So we can name this Tommy's bus and then start it at the church. And ended at the church. So once we've done that, we can submit it, and let's see my one I just saved there. I can move Tommy's bus into Tommy's folder. And so the bus is everything in our app is organized the same way. So you have folders they can be organized into over here, and then all the individual items. And so that's how that works, and that's maybe even a little deeper than you asked, but thanks for asking, and thanks for using the Soulwinning app. Have a good day.